Hello, and welcome to the course on The Secret, Value for Money. In this course, you will discover how to create, find real value of high-ticket items, strategies you can use to sell them, and how to differentiate your high-ticket items from others. One of the ways to make fast money on the internet is to sell high-ticket items. High-ticket items are expensive and costly products, which allow you to earn more money per hour. That is the secret to earning high incomes than selling low-ticket items. That is, low-cost products. You earn low incomes when you earn very little per hour. With high-ticket items, you'll make money faster, and you'll make a lot more because this type of product usually have high profit margins. Because what you're selling high-ticket items that has real value, therefore you either need to create or find products with high value if you want to profit from selling high-ticket items. To create or find products with high value, you'll need to choose a niche or target groups to sell to. You'll need to know the niche, your targets, what your targets want or need in the niche, their problems and the solutions. If you don't know your niche, you'll need to research it. Your competitors' products or services may not necessarily meet the needs or wants of your targets. You won't know this unless you research your niche first. Keyword search terms will show you what your targets are searching for, but will not tell you why. Your research efforts will let you know why. You need to know why and what your targets are searching for in order to create or find the right product that'll sell. Another good reason to research your niche is there are a lot of products and information online that are free. If you were to repackage your product, your targets may still get for free else, where so they are not likely to buy from you. Or if they have purchased your products and later discover they have already seen the content elsewhere, they might ask for refunds, and this is something you'd want to avoid. Once you've clearly defined what your targets want or need, and you've researched your niche, you can then come up with a list of possible products you may sell in the niche based on your target's needs and wants. You will then group a list of possible products into low and high ticket products. Some of these products may not even exist yet. Hence, doing this will let you see how much possibilities and opportunities you have for creating more products to sell in your chosen niche. This is how to create or find products that sell. If a product is being launched, the ideal thing to do, if you want to succeed, is to review the product against what your targets want or need. Also review it against the products you're already offering for sale and your competitors' products, because you'll need to know what the product offers that differs yours from competitors and whether there are products out there that will give your targets more or better value. This will help you consistently offer the best products to your targets at any point in time. Most online visitors will not readily pay for high-ticket items on the internet, mostly because they're not sure how the products will work out and want to avoid being deceived. Hence, you'll need to adopt some form of strategy to sell your high-ticket items. One strategy is to sell low-ticket products first and then upsell high-ticket products as back-end products. Upselling is selling more expensive products to your customers after the original sale. Since you know the various products you should be selling in your niche, you can promote the low-cost products first to get customers to buy and sign up onto your list. You'll then create promotional offers on the high-ticket products along with your newsletter issues to the customers on your list. Another way to do this is to create different versions of your products by creating low-cost and high-end versions with a varying number of features in each version. You can then do promotional offers for upgrade to higher versions for the customers on your list, with possibly some form of discount provided along with it. The lower versions make your product more affordable and will allow your targets to try them out first before upgrading to the higher versions. Your target's experience with your initial product offerings and your customer support service will play a major role in how your targets will respond to more offers from you. You need to really go out of your way to ensure that you create trust and build a good relationship with your customers and subscribers to maximize your sales and profits. One other strategy you may use to sell your high-ticket items is to build your reputation and credibility online. By becoming known as an expert who is always offering true and real values, it will be much more easier for you to sell high-ticket products. You can simply do this by creating relevant and valuable content that helps your targets to accomplish some of what they want or need. Also bear in mind that you are likely to get better results from your customers and subscribers, or someone else's customers or subscribers, than just web visitors when you sell high-ticket items on the internet. You may also want to concentrate on the targeted groups in your niche that are likely to have money to buy high-ticket products. Not all targeted groups in your niche will be able to afford high-ticket items. You'll then need to know and find those targeted groups that can. As an affiliate, you can do something similar to these by joining affiliate programs with low and high cost products, and programs with different product versions. You can then create product reviews on each product, compare features of different versions and their limitations and benefits, and so on. You may provide these with some relevant content for your subscribers too, while promoting the products you sell along with the content you provide. Before you create any high-ticket item, you should know what your competitors are offering too. You will have to offer some form of uniqueness with your product to differentiate it from the competitors. Your targets must have a reason to prefer your product to your competitors. Your uniqueness gives them that reason. You should also be prepared to answer your target's question before and after they buy your high-ticket product. Create FAQs for them to consult when they have a question. Let them be able to reach you easily after they bought the product and find out if they are getting the desired result from your product, and be prepared to offer solutions. Also, create different scenarios on possible problems they may have and how to deal with them. The more you are able to meet your target's needs exactly, the better the results or value they'll get from you, and the more readily they will buy from you the next time. An affiliate can be unique by providing information and tips that are not readily available with the merchant's products that he or she sells. You may also provide some of the support that may be lacking in your merchant's product. This will likely require good knowledge of your niche and the products you sell. An example of a high-ticket product that truly demonstrates how you can take a low-cost item and turn it into a high-yielding revenue-generating venture is e-coaching. The key to this product is the one-to-one or person-to-person interactiveness it offers and a forum to ask questions and get answers to your problems. The tools you'll need for it are readily available online and are easy to use or set up. It is one of the easiest high-ticket items you may want to create while considering what high-priced product to sell in your chosen niche.